following is a message from the National Information Center. The biomechanical entities that replaced race horses at the Kentucky Derby earlier this evening have not been contained. At this time, you are advised to remain indoors and secure your home until the threat is past. Do not respond to horse-like sounds from outside. Updates will be provided every hour or sooner if necessary. Stay tuned to local radio, television, and no weather radio stations to receive further information.